Heard some knocking going on out here. Head on down this way. I quit when I start talking. Try to be quiet. I gotta head on down this trail. Just running for a little bit in case I hear it again. Oh. Nothing but the wind going through the trees. Well, I'm going to sign off for now.